So are you new to Google Drawings? Well, here's a brief tutorial on how it works. First of all, you want to go to Google Drawings by either going to drawings.google.com, or you could simply access it this way. You can go to the Google homepage and go to the apps launcher. Just simply open up Google Drive, open up new, go to more, and then you have Google Drawings. So either one will work. This is your drawing template. So this right here is a checkerboard template. That basically means that it is transparent. So if you would like to change your background, you can simply right click with your device and go to background and change it to either a solid or gradient color. I'll just make mine dark just so that things pop a little bit more. Now you'll have a toolbar right up here up at the top. You can simply add lines. This allows you to select objects, and then you can add shapes as well. So there's a variety of different shapes that you can choose from. I'm just going to create a box, just a simple box right here, and I can then go ahead and type in that box if I'd like. As you notice, when I start typing in this box, this other toolbar will pop up right here, and that is basically my text toolbar, where I can position the text, let's say up at the top right here. If I wanted to add bullets, I can do that. If I wanted to even change the font size and style, so let's change it to Acme, and we'll change it to size 48. I can do that. I can simply choose my object and move it around if I'd like. And there's other objects that I can add as well. I can add text boxes. I can also insert images. And the thing I like about the images, is that you can add things from Google Drive, your photos, use your own camera. So if you wanted students to maybe take a picture of something and put it in here, you could do that as well. You could upload your own, or you could search the web. And when you do search the web, it is only images that can be reused. So Google does the filtering for you. So let's say, for instance, I want to do a car. I can go ahead and choose a car, and I have a wide variety of different tools I can use. And I just simply hit insert, and I can add that car right in to my Google drawing, which is great. Now, if I want to format this picture, when I click on the picture, notice these handles that appear. I now have this, the Format Options button. So I can add a lot of different styles right here. I can recolor it if I'd like. I can change the position, adjustments such as transparency, brightness, and contrast. And these are some of my favorites, dropping a shadow. So let's say, for instance, I wanted a yellow shadow. Isn't that cool? And then I wanted to blur around that object. I can do that to make it stand out. There's also the reflection tool as well. So how do you actually share this with students? Well, the one way you could do that is you could simply go right up here. You could go to share. You will need to give your drawing a title, or you can skip. I'll just skip for now. And you can get the link to share with anybody simply by selecting that. Anyone with the link can view, and just go ahead and copy it and send it to somebody. Or you could also go up to share. Just let me skip this right here and send it directly to specific people. That's another way. One of my favorite things that you can do is, let's say, for instance, you want to just share this as a regular picture. You can go ahead and go to File, and you can download this as a JPEG or PNG file. So you could put it in a PowerPoint presentation, Google Slideshow presentation, Google Doc, anything really that you would insert a picture. Or if you wanted to just simply create a PDF, you could create a PDF as well. Now you may say, well, Matt, I'd really like that, but how do I actually go through and adjust the size of this object? You can go down here and you can adjust the size if you'd like, just like this, to adjust your canvas. Or you simply can go up to File, and you can choose Page Setup, and then you could change this. So if you wanted it, an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, you can do that, and it'll automatically apply it. You can move your objects around. So that's a brief tutorial on how to use Google Drawings.